Do you sell digital downloads on Etsy? If you do, you have to know about this app. Now, this is not just an app. This is an app that creates imaging apps. So in this example, I create an app called a tree font with leaves growing out of it. Now, if I was to do the same thing, but this time do a snake font and click create app, what's going to happen is this app actually creates for me an app that will then, everything I type in the box will be with a snake type lettering. So now it's ready. I'm in the snake font right now. If I type Etsy in the box, which is the text on the image, you can also add customized prompting. Then I'll click enhance prompt to make sure that the prompt is made perfect. Then I'll click on generate 4 snake fonts with the word Etsy. And what you're about to see is absolutely going to blow you away. You are going to be able to have a snake font with writing the words that you need. So here we have the word Etsy. Now I know it's not so clear, but if you try again and regenerate, you will end up with an unbelievable result. Like, for example, let's see what comes up next. So here we have it. You see we have a snake font with the word Etsy spelled out like this. Now, what this basically means is that if you are pumping out digital downloads, you definitely need to get your hands on this. Now, you can also change the orientation. Like, for example, if you wanted a horizontal image, you could also create 4 horizontal outputs, and then you could then have horizontal imagery or vertical imagery, depending on the type of image you need. So as you can see, some of them are good, some of them are not. Let's try again. Let's have a look. So here we have a decent output, and some of them are a bit mixed up with the snake. And so as you can see, I've created a lot of apps here. You can do absolutely anything you can think of. You can make a coloring page generator, and let's say dog here. And then click on enhance prompt and generate 4. Let's make them square. And generate. You could basically create your own AI imaging apps on the fly, which will do the job for you depending what you're creating for Etsy. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to give this a try. You get free credits to try, and bye for now.